Yo, 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 Baker Asaf in the house, and today we're talking about making that sweet, sweet cash with robots. Well, not actual robots, but close enough. We're diving into the world of AI and how it can help you stack some paper without breaking a sweat. Forget those get-rich-quick schemes. This is about working smarter, not harder. AI is changing the game, and we're here to learn how to play it like a boss. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your bank account with the power of artificial intelligence. It's like having a super smart intern who works 24/7, except this intern doesn't need coffee breaks or complain about their workload. Sounds like a pretty sweet deal, right? Let's get into it. Now, I know you're probably thinking, AI, that sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. Basically, AI is like having a computer program that can do some of your work for you. Think of it like this. Remember those CAPTCHA things where you have to identify traffic lights to prove you're not a robot? Well, AI is what powers those robots, and now you can use that same power to make some side hustle money. AI expert, no more slaving away at a boring 9 to 5. AI can help you automate tasks, create content, and even analyze data to find new opportunities. It's like having a personal assistant, but way cheaper and less likely to judge your questionable life choices. So how can you actually make money with this AI magic? Well, there are a few ways. One popular method is using AI-powered writing tools to create content for websites, blogs, or even social media. Think about it. People are always looking for fresh content, and AI can help you churn it out faster than you can say algorithm. You can even use AI to generate catchy headlines and optimize your content for search engines, making sure your work gets seen by the right people. Success story. But wait, there's more. AI can also help you create and sell digital products like online courses, ebooks, and even music. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even use AI to develop and launch your own app or website. The possibilities are pretty much endless, like that time I tried to explain the plot of Inception after a 3-day energy drink bender. Section 4. Show me the websites. Okay, I hear you. You're ready to start cashing in on this AI goldmine, but you need to know where to start. Don't worry, I got you covered. There are tons of websites out there that offer AI-powered tools and services to help you make money.
For example, Jasper and Copy.ai are great for generating high-quality content, while DALL-E 2 can create stunning images from your text descriptions. And if you're looking to automate your business tasks, check out tools like Zapier and Integromat. These platforms let you connect different apps and services together, so you can automate repetitive tasks and free up your time for more important things, like perfecting your TikTok dance moves, or finally organizing your sock drawer.
Section 5. But, is it really effortless? Now, before you quit your day job and buy a yacht with your AI earnings, let's be real for a second. While AI can definitely make your life easier and open up new income streams, it's not exactly a set it and forget it kind of deal.
You'll still need to put in some effort to learn how to use these tools effectively and make sure your AI-generated content is top-notch. Think of it like this. AI is like a really smart paintbrush. It can help you create amazing things, but you still need to be the artist behind it. But hey, even with a little effort, the potential rewards are huge. Plus, learning new skills and embracing technology is always a good look, right? It's like that time I tried to learn how to play the ukulele. Sure, it took some practice, but now I can serenade my plants with the sweetest Hawaiian melodies.
Section 6. Subscribe, hit that bell, and let's get this bread. So, there you have it. We've explored the exciting world of AI and how it can help you make some serious cash without breaking a sweat. Too much anyway. Remember, the future is here, and it's powered by algorithms and artificial intelligence.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. And be sure to share it with your friends. Let's spread the AI wealth. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep hustling.